Did you know a drug trade once brought the most powerful empire on Earth to its knees? By the 1830s, the British East India Company had a system running like clockwork. Farmers in India grew opium, ships carried it east, and millions of Chinese people became addicted, pouring silver out of China and into British pockets. The Qing Emperor had seen enough. He sent Commissioner Lin Zexu to Canton, who seized over 1,000 tons of opium and dumped it all into the sea. Britain's response was warships. China's military was centuries behind. Cannons that worked in 1600 were useless against British iron steamships in 1839. The Qing court had told itself for decades that China needed nothing from the outside world. That belief cost them everything. The wars ended with humiliating treaties. Hong Kong ceded, ports forced open, sovereignty shredded. The Chinese called what followed the century of humiliation, and they have never stopped counting it. That century still shapes how China sees the world today.